How's your food?
Tastes good. I think my drink.
You have?
I'm gonna have to go get it.
Yeah.
Like, I look fun.
Hot sauce. Vinegar.
You asked for that?
Thank you.
Pleasure.
You asked for all of that?
I just asked her that. She brought. She wasn't making. Now she's making. But now that this is here, I don't know where it is. No, this one?
I select this one. I select it.
Thank you.
That's vinegar. How you like your coffee? No, there's something funny about it.
It's just like watered down.
This coffee is no good, man. I'm gonna take yours too. Take off the sugar.
What sugar?
Put more espresso in it.
Did they make a pack? You have the pack?
Yeah, I ordered it.
I know, but they never brought it.
No, not yet. How you like yours, man?
It's good. It's just missing some salt.
Can I
Oh, yeah.
get it? Thank you.
Can I follow up on the pancakes?
Okay.
That service is bad. This is my first time here. I've been to the other one in Makati, where I usually go.
The one where you have to go.
Yeah,
But it's a different place.
this is a different place.
No, it's not the same. It's not like a
It's-
chain.
Oh, it is. I think it is a chain, but pancakes is taking awfully long. Wow. If they forgot, that's bad service. No, the other one behind you. Coffee, I don't know. It's something funny about this coffee. I just can't get my mind. It's maybe the milk. You mind? You want some more? No, it's not the milk.
You ordered that?
She asked me if I want milk cream.
When it compared to yesterday.
Yesterday was good. Well, then again, we had corned beef.
No, there was anything. They were very clear. Next to it. I don't know.
All right, for after about 15 minutes, maybe more, I would say 20 minutes, 25, I got my pancakes. For a long wait, I hope it's good. So that's the aftermath, and we about to go and walk around BGC and see what we could, you know, see what we could find. Thank you. All right. So I just finished eating at this spot here called Kanto Freestyle Breakfast. My final thoughts. They took a long time to serve the pancakes. I don't think the service is good. I mean, they served coffee that wasn't even strong. I had to come back and and reorder it again, and they had to fix the coffee. They had to put extra espresso on it. If you ask me, would I come back here again? Nah, I'm gonna pass on it. Maybe I'm gonna go to the one in Makati, but in this particular store, I'm gonna pass. I ain't like the service. It's took too long, and hey, that's how it goes. So that's my final thoughts with this spot right here. So you know, catch you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.